Nip in the bud, prevent from happening. Welcome to use Beian LOTO simulator system. This LOTO simulator system replicates a real dynamical industrial manufacturing environment and independent production units, using dynamical and visual compressed air as energy to simulate residual and accumulated energy in a network of pneumatic equipment. It demonstrates 1/LOTO procedure, 2/LOTO solution to complete set of valve types and circuit breaker type, 3/ multi-personnel task. Beian LOTO simulator consists of 4 areas. 1. Power control. Emergency stop switch. Start-stop switch. AC contactor. Circuit breaker. 2. Pipeline transmission. 3. Position stop valve. Pressure relief valve. Flow valve. Hand valve. Operation simulation area inside the safety door. 3. Lockout management. Safety padlock. Safety tag. Group lockout box. Circuit breaker. And valve lockout. 4. LOTO procedure board. Standard energy control / LOTO procedure. Now I will show you the correct process of BEAN lockout tagout simulator system. Step 1. Preparation. Read the energy control safety procedures for the equipment. Identify the source of energy, its type, electrical, mechanical, and its potential hazards. Place isolation lockouts and prepare to shut down the energy. Note: enforcers must have adequate knowledge and practical skills in lockout / tagout. Step 2. Notify. Notify operators and supervisors who may be affected by isolating the machine that you are ready for a lockout / tagout. Step 3. Shut down. Shut down equipment or machinery using normal shutdown procedures. Step 4. Isolate the device. Turn off main power, isolate the equipment, and use a suitable locking device. Using isolation padlock. Step 5. Lockout and tagout. On the energy disconnect device, using personal padlock and lockbox. In the first step of identification, we already know that the locking point of the fastening task in the M1 area is the E1 air switch and the CA5/CA7 ball valves. When we simulate different tasks, the locking points are different. You can try to simulate different tasks, such as the replacement of the main pressure relief valve, the replacement of the cylinder, etc. Step 6. Release and confirmer. Release any stored energy, relieve hydraulic pressure, discharge liquid and lock moving parts. The residual energy of simulator contains capacitor discharge, relieve pressure, slow release of gravity potential energy. Step 7. Check. Check power source and try to open machine. Check and confirm whether power source was shut off or not, then ensure the status of shut off. Step 8. Perform task. Implement maintenance, repair and inspection on locked equipment. Step 9. Check and restore. Task completed, clear workplace. Tools and material, restore safety facilities. Inform the personnel of workshop control room, maintenance completed, restore equipment.